Good day to you. Okay, I was going to try and do a LinkedIn self-assessment for cybersecurity, but my internet has really played up, and so it's killed my chances of redoing the cybersecurity take for now. So I can only take it in March of this year. So today I'm going to cover the CSS Cascading Style Sheets CSS assessment. As you can see here, topics are display styles, elements, selectors, functions and rules, page layout, syntax and semantics. There's 1.2 million that took this course. There's 15 multiple choice questions, 1.5 minutes per question. Score on the top 30 to earn the badge. Before you start, you must complete this assessment in one session. Make sure your internet is reliable. I don't know how we're supposed to make sure, but anyway, my internet's not reliable. I'm just taking these chances. You can retake this assessment once. If you don't earn a badge, we won't show your results to anyone without your permission. Let's click on Start. So pseudo classes are used to style a specific part of a selected element, style the state of the selected element, insert presentational content, style the elements using class selectors. Style the state of the selected element. Okay. In the example below, when will the color pink be applied to the anchor element? So there's an A :active and then it says color pink. The color of the link will display a pink on mouse hover. The color of the link will display as pink after it has been clicked or if the mouse is hovering over the link. The color of the link will display as pink while the link is being clicked but before the mouse click is released. The color of the link will display as pink before it has been clicked. So it says A active, so I would think it would be the color of the link will display as pink once the link has been clicked, so this option over here. Okay, the color of the link will display as pink while the link is being clicked but before the mouse click is released. Suppose you want to have a list of items .item displayed in a row and in reverse order using flexbox. What is the error in the CSS below? So we've got a container, then it says display flex, then it has an item and it's got a border of 1 pixel, solid red, flex direction, row reverse. The value for flex direction should be reverse row. The .container element should have a property of flex display. The display value should be flex inline to display the items in a row. The flex direction property should be declared in the container. The flex direction property should be declared in the container. Which style will horizontally center the inner div within the outer div? So we've got div ID outer, div ID inner, center me /div. So hashtag inner text align center, hashtag inner width 50, margin 0 auto, inner width 50, outer width 100, inner left 0, right 0, position center. I'm going to go with this one. Next. Which corner will the puppy be in when these CSS rules are applied? The dot pen and there's the puppy. Okay. Position absolute, right 80, bottom 0. Top left hand corner, bottom left hand corner, bottom right hand corner, top right hand corner. I'm going to go with bottom right hand corner. Yeah, I'm going to choose bottom right hand corner. You want to move an element up 100 pixels. Which CSS property would you use? Transform, translate Y, transform, translate Y 100, transform, translate X, transform, translate X 100. I'm going to go with the Y minus 100. Okay. Given this code, which CSS declaration of .overlay will span the entire width and height of its container? Style, container position, style, div, class, container, overlay, div. Okay. I'm going to choose this one. Which missing code will give cellar door a shadow? The ID text shadow, ID the class, ID cellar door class text shadow. This is a class and this is an ID. Given this markup, which selector would result in the text being highlighted in yellow? Highlight, background color yellow, highlight. That's a class, so I would go with this one. Highlight, I would say background color though, because yeah. What style rule would set the font color of only paragraph 2 to blue? This is the paragraph, P color blue, P section, because P would be there. Which style rule would you apply to set the background image to display the contents of the wood.png file? Which style rule would you apply to set the background image of to display the contents of the wood file? It would have to be background image URL. Which missing line of code would place the text on top of the image? To make the font size of an element one size smaller than the font size of the element's container, which style property would you apply? To prevent a background image from tiling in any direction, which style property would you apply? To prevent a background image from tiling in any direction, I would say background repeat none. To rotate an object 30 degrees counterclockwise, which style property would you apply? Counterclockwise, I would transform rotate minus. View results. Great work, you earned a badge. You're in the top 5%. Well done. Thank you for watching. I hope this has been helpful.